Hello, I'm in Dizzy's car.
Oh. I got it from Ralph's Savants.
This Gigi is me with my mom to go on a field trip.
Oh shit.
How did it turn like?
Better or?
Yep. Now I cannot feel all the crumbs in my butt crack. There is.
Gotta clean that out, Daniel. You gotta clean it out.
Oh, he cleans it out?
You gotta clean it out.
Oh no. This car is fast, but it's also small. No, I'm gonna end this video.
What do you want to talk about, Daniel? What do you want to talk about in your video?
Yeah. JJ, look at.
You want to talk about Fortnite? You want to talk about...
Stop showing people your jacket.
Don't play Call of Duty?
Okay, this is a fast car, but it's a small car.
It's a slow car, but I know how to drive. That's the problem.
I wish I had like $50.
For what?
So I can buy my own stuff and you don't have to buy it from me.
Because
you said, oh, you can't have this, oh, you can't have that.
Yeah, when you get a job, Daniel?
Never. If it pays me $200 a day. My job. $200,000 a day.
What job is that?
Subway? Sonos?
Subway don't.
Apaga el niño. Thank you.
Read it.
Ooh.
Don't start with me.
Did you want some chips? Mom, they have drugs. Oh, fine.
Don't talk like that.
Fine, okay.
Don't record me either.
Why? I have a bomb. I have to frick. I'm gonna frick him. Where's DJ? Oh, DJ. DJ. Hello. Wait, I got a bomb. I'm not afraid to use it.
Bomb. It's your wiener.
What? What? It's not my wiener. JJ, you can't have a good Dorito party with this.
What is that?
Cheese.
Cheese.
It's cheesy
Not
in
cheese,
here.
it's queso.
Queso, what's queso? Oh. What's queso?
Queso is spicy Mexican cheese.
Oh, I like that.
I'm not buying that. All that, you can take it out of my cart.
Can I take like one out? JJ, wanna get some donuts?
Man.
They're over here. DJ, how do you end the video? How do you end the video? Which one? Goodbye.
Just watch the video on the iPad.
We got some holy water. Wait, no. This is holy water. This one right here. This is holy water since it's white.
What's the holy water?
You know holy water?
Why is it holy?
I just farted. I farted on the food. Well, hold up, Dick.
You want tomatoes?
That's the hugest tomato ever.
The large tomato.
You damn it, to do the largest thing ever.
How many tomatoes do you want, Daniel?
I want 500.
One.
Dick, I mean, what's up? Do we need some lemons, Gigi? Chicken nuggets.
You eat chicken nuggets?
Huh?
How would you eat this?
I won't eat this,
What
but...
looks better? Ooh, what about that?
Is that turkey?
Turkey.
My baby turkey.
What was that?
What even is that?
I think it's fish.
Ew, no. What is that?
Crab.
Well, who are these?
Worms. Those
Ew.
are cockroaches.
Ew. They actually eat cockroaches when they're in China. Ice cream. Buy them.
Ice cream.
No. Is that my kitty?
Whoa, relax.
Hey. Chota. Let's go. Wait, I want to go get some ice cream. Ice cream. You scream for ice cream. Wait, JJ, why does it look blue in the camera?
That looks purple.
No,
It
yeah.
does look blue, huh?
Yeah. Why does it look blue though?
Alright, Dad, I think that's enough. Rip it from the top. Rip it from the top. There you go. Now give it to your mother.
Mother.
Crazy, man. Looks just like you. See? Hey.
So sweet.
You like this song, Daniel?
Oh, look at ham for now. My armpits are getting sticky now.
Stop it, Daniel.
For real, it's like stuck to my shirt.
You gross.
Wait, I can see your underwear.
Where?
You have ripped pants.
Where?
Right there, you have ripped pants. I can see your underwear.
Oh my god.
Everybody can see your underwear.
Why'd you tell me, Daniel?
I don't know. This is a 10-ton beef.
Huh? 10 what?
Ow.
Is it good? Brought to you by Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola. I'm gonna drop it. It's a Dorito chip. It's a giant, the biggest Dorito chip. It's a shield.
Looks like a bag of pigs.
Looks like chocolate milk. You know what they are?
What?
Beans.
Bing, bing, some little, bing, bing,
Beans. 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 Hey, relax, buddy.
whatever.
I dare you to eat it.
Really?
I dare you to eat it. Big gross. How'd it taste?
Good.
Good?
Really
I
good.
don't think it tastes good.
Better than my mom. Don't drink bleach.
Yeah, don't drink bleach just though.
But like, oh. We're here
Where are we?
at the butt crack. Okay.
You know your sweater?
JJ,
They
the
won
apocalypse
it was
are
like all
coming.
about the Grammys and shit. Like they were all over the Grammys. Like, it wasn't
JJ, the zombie apocalypse are coming.
Yeah, it's getting dark, man.
Yep. Hey, Mom, let me finish.
I told you not to record.
We're gonna let it move it? Goodbye.